That little party can be your video's reality too. Enough of working with videos that run on a loop. We have got you here with the ways of making your video content interesting. But before you begin, learn the exact purpose of why it is created, as it sets the stage for your onward journey. Once you know the why, work on making them genuine and real. Having said that, slack on tailor-made perfect videos. Make something that your audience relates to. That is, address their pain points, stick to your video script, but the gist of it while making the videos. The human connection is a must-have. So, use your social media to build connections with your audience. Apart from these, videos play well with psychology, so don't forget to make use of narratives, aspect of curiosity, motivation, and some attractive visuals. So, there you go with our tips and ways to rock your video creation. But wait, there are some ideas in store. Tap the link in description to know more about how to make your video content interesting.